In this video, we are going to look at entering in time logs into TK20 for PD1 and PD2. We are logged in as our student Rachel. As we log in, we are going to go to Home, Time Logs, and that's going to bring up our time log dashboard. For this, we're going to create a new activity. For PD1 and PD2, we're going to go and click UE PD1 or PD2 and Field Experience. Our reviewer email is going to be our mentor teacher. I'm going to put my email down for right now. The date that we were at our school, the time, right there. So we're there from 10 to, let's say, 2:30 in the afternoon. Also for PD1 and PD2, we're going to write a quick description about what we accomplished that day. So supervised teacher lessons, worked with children in small groups, and hit create. So every single time we create an entry in our time log, it is going to show here in our time log and entries. It's going to give us the date, the time range, how long we were there, also the status, the activity, who our reviewer is. Again, this is going to be our mentor teacher, and this is a PD1 time log. When we're ready to send this information to our reviewer, we're going to click and submit it for approval. It's going to bring a second screen and say, are you sure you want to submit this time to your mentor teacher? We click submit again and we see the status has moved from not submitted to pending. At this time, your mentor teacher will receive an email from TK20 that says that one or more students has submitted time logs to them. From that email, there's a link where they can click and approve your time logs very quickly. One additional feature about the time logs inside TK20 is the dashboard. This dashboard gives you a great overview on how many hours are pending approval, how many have been approved, how many you've logged but not submitted. It is also going to give you a really great pie chart here on the side that lets you know how many hours you have either not logged yet towards your 60 or how many hours are currently pending approval. If you have any questions about time logs, please reach out to the College of Public Service and TK20.